నీ కళ్ళని పట్టుకు వదలనన్నవి చూడే నా కళ్ళు ఆ చూపులనల్లా తొక్కుకు వెళ్ళకు దయలేదా అసలు నీ కళ్ళకి కావాలి కాస్తాయే కట్టుకల నా కలలు నువ్వు నులుముతుంటే ఎర్రగా కనిపించిందే లేసెగలు నా ఊపిరి గాలికి ఉయ్యాలలుగుతూ ఉంటే ముంగురులు నువ్వు నెట్టేస్తే ఎలా నిట్టుచబట్టే నిష్ఠురపు విలవిలలు
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm tired of the way that things have been. Oh, oh, the way that things have been. Oh, oh. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, oh, the master of my sea. Oh, oh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. You made me a believer, believer. You made me a believer, believer. Send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, oh, your spirit up above. Oh, oh. I was choking in the crowd, building my brain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground. Hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Ever did, ebbing and flowing, they never did. Limited till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like. जो